Hello, I'm David Reed. I'd like to show you some new features in our Ordermation engineering automation system for hollow metal. Order entry of hollow metal opening schedules can be time-consuming and error-prone. The features we'll discuss today are designed to make order entry faster and more accurate. Our system has existing features called defaults and overrides. Both of these have the ability to set values of fields within existing line items. A default will only set the value of a field which presently has no value. An override will set the value of a field whether it presently has a value or not. Both methods can take advantage of other information in the line item to determine a value. For example, the choice of anchor might be determined by the profile selection. Today we are introducing a feature called initial conditions. Initial conditions define the values fields have as soon as the record is created. There are two types of initial conditions, form-based and table-based. Today we'll be discussing form-based initial conditions. You can have as many sets of initial conditions as you like. I have created a few here to demonstrate the capability. There's a new combo box at the top of the opening schedule form. If I select an initial condition set within this box, it will take effect as soon as I click out of the box. I selected a sample set called regular opening. The current initial conditions associated with regular opening are shown in the pending record. The pending record is not yet a line item in our opening schedule. The pending record shows what values the line item will start with as soon as I create it. You can tell it's the pending record by the asterisk in the record selection box on the left-hand side. Now let's select another set called heavy-duty opening. Notice that the pending settings change instantly. These settings might be appropriate for detention hollow metal or some other variant. The pending record becomes an actual line item when we click within it. We see the pencil mark instead of the asterisk, the pencil mark indicating that this is the record that we're currently editing. Meanwhile, a new pending record has been created with the asterisk. The pending record has the pending values that are current, but these can be changed prior to this record becoming an actual line item. Once a record is created, we can change anything, whether it was created by the initial conditions or whether we made the changes afterwards. So we're not limited in any way to selections that were made as part of the starting conditions. They're merely the starting point. Form-based initial settings exist only while a form is opened and apply only to the local user. So different users can have different initial settings active in different forms. One way to clear the initial settings is to simply close the form and then reopen it. And here we see that in the pending records box there are no pending initial conditions.